So I am seeing why a lot of these pieces were included in the Fly More combo. This is the first drone that I own. I did try to take off, and unfortunately I scraped my propellers and the propeller guards. These need to be placed on if you are first time trying out your first time, or if you are in a tight area like I am right now. So you unwrap the propeller guards. I showed you earlier in the unboxing that they came in these little plastic wrappers. As you can see, this is the right side. This is the left. And, you know, this, once you take the aircraft out, you would unfold it, but this has already been unfolded. And you go ahead and unsnap before placing it in. So you take the aircraft, you place it in, you take this top part and put it in, which has, if you can see, like a wider piece right here. Alright. And it's in there, and then you snap on to the arms. I'm going to place this down. You hear it snap. You want to make sure it's on a flat surface. And don't force it if you feel like it's not right. Just kind of make sure, again, it's on a flat surface. Alright. Now let's put the right one on. Okay. Place it down. Once you put it in, place it down. Just like we did on the left side. Snap it, move the propellers out of the way, of course. Snap it down. And there you go.